everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech, unboxings, and simple tips, you are in the right place. So, are you not able to see the restyle option on your Instagram story? Here's the solution. So, firstly, open the settings app on your device. Now, scroll down and tap on the apps option. Now, tap on the Instagram and now tap on the storage and cache option and again tap on clear cache. Now, go back to the home page and open the Play Store app on your device. Now, at the bottom, tap on the search and search for the Instagram and update it. Again, go back to the home page and open the Instagram app. Tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on the early access to features. Now, tap on the toggle. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.